This is Swell Merchant from Tabular Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn a very quick technique with pivot table to perform the unpivot data task. Let's start the video. First, press 3 keys separately. Alt D P. By pressing these 3 keys separately, you will get this dialog box. Now select multiple consolidation ranges. Next, it will ask you whether you want to create a field by yourself or pivot table should create it. Press next. Now select your data. Next, and new box sheet, finish. You will get this type of report. Now just double click on the grand total of your data and your data is now unpivoted. If you like this tutorial, do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial.